Hello, my name is Titus Smith, and this is Design Sprint 3 for Project Predator. For our project, we decided to build a drone which has some level of autonomous control using the Arduino board. The goal of the project was to design a plane that would fly to a specific waypoint in order to deliver medical supplies to people in remote areas. I'll be explaining what we have done so far in the project and showcasing our working subsystems.
So here we have the guts of our plane. Right here we have Arduino MEGN, and connected to it we have our SIM GPRS module. This allows us to connect to the cell network. And over here we have our we have our GPS module. This allows us to get GPS data. This is all connected to the Arduino Nano, which is currently hooked up to our computer. So these two are communicating, and the Arduino Nano data is what we're getting right here on our screen.
Yeah, the MEGN is also plugged in just for extra power.
Yeah, awesome. So, as we can see right here, these are the current GPS locations, and these are the ones that it's supposed to go to. However, I'm going to send a text right here, and it's going to update these second locations. So, I'm going to send this one in, and as we can see, it changes from 3.88 to 3.78. And then over here, is for our latitude. It's going to change from negative 105.31 to negative 105.41. And that change happens now. Awesome.
Okay, so here we're showing off the stabilization of the plane. When we tip it, the ailerons rotate back and forth. Get this set. And then we tip it forward and back, the elevators also deflect. Okay, so we have the plane here. It's powered on. It's a little windy right now, but we're going to walk it around on the field and see if the GPS tracking works. The target spot is over there on the edge of the field, so I'm going to switch it into mode 2 and then fly the plane like it would see in the air. You know, if ailerons bank, you're going to try to bank the plane and turn it just to follow where it's going to go. So.
Alright, so we have coordinates already locked into this thing. It should fly right over to that corner of the IM field once we set it on its go-to mode 2 setting. Yeah, first we're just going to get it up on manual control though.
Ready?
Ready?
Go!
Mode 0?
Yep. Mode 1. Okay, that's mode 1. So it's stabilizing. I'm not touching the controls. Mode 2. Alright, that's mode 2. It's flying itself. I'm not touching it.
There you go. Remote's not being touched at all.
Going to this corner right over here. Oh yeah, look at it. It's
Nice, circling now.
well, yeah, it's trying to find that corner. Come on, baby. Turn back. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
All right.
So we just texted it the coordinates of Table Mountain. So when we turn it on, we're gonna get it up, we're gonna get it flying around, and then we're gonna have it fly over there just a little bit, and then we're gonna turn around and bring it back towards us. So.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
All right, so it's on manual control right now. I can't see it.
Trouble seeing it.
All right, well, just put it on 1 real quick, or 2.
All right, on 2.
Go on 2 or just take off?
1 or 0. I don't know. It wants to roll. I'm out of roll.
Alright. Yeah, if you want to bring it down, man, it's getting dark. I can't see it.
All right,
Really.
back on 1. It is flying by itself.
Nice.
I'm not touching the controls. And then 2. All right, we are on 2.
We're on
It's
2.
kind of
okay.
weird. 1. We're not having as bad of receiver issues this time though. That's good. I think you fixed it. All right, 0.
Try 2 one more time.
2. It's flying somewhere. All right, 1. Yeah, that's 1. And 0. I can barely see it.
You're good, you're good. Oh, too high now. Alright, so here, do you want to set it into mode 2?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's in mode 2, and right now it wants to go over there, right? Cool. So, now I'm going to text it these coordinates. These are the coordinates up on top of Table Mountain. So I'm going to send the latitude in, and longitude in, and it's taking a, oops, it's taking a second to readjust. I'm gonna switch it, let's recycle into mode 2, and
There you go.
there we go. Now it's switched. It wants to go the other direction over there towards Table Mountain, and now you can see it's pointing in that direction. It's leveled out. Cool. All right, now I'm gonna send it the coordinates right over here, and it's gonna go over there, and then we'll send it up in the air and test it out. So I'm gonna go over here into Google Maps. I'm going to drop a pin right over.
Middle. Still. The wind's kind of shifting.
What's that?
The wind's shifting this way.
Do like what? Like that way?
Middle. Like right here.
Okay, copy. All right, so we're doing right over there. I'm gonna copy those coordinates, and paste them in. I'm going to reformat them. 1, 2, 3. Gonna bring it down to the right number of decimal points.
Which we're doing 5, right?
Yeah, we're doing 5 decimal places. Right here, I'm just typing in the code that we want to send to the plane. 2, 4, 5. Cool. So these are our coordinates that we're going to be sending it to. We're going to send them one at a time. So I'm going to copy this, cut it. I'm going to send this. I'm going to send this. Now it should want to go right over there.
There you go, just adjusted.
And as
Oh,
you can
did it?
see,
Yeah.
it's got a slight adjustment in it. And
It might take a minute to adjust.
yep, give
There
it some
you go.
time, and there we go.
Perfect.
It's received the message, and now it wants to go right over there. So we're
you
gonna
go.
send that up in the air. and it should fly to those coordinates.
Perfect.
All right, mode 0, manual control. Control check. Okay. Good.
All right, so right now we're just getting it up into the air under manual control.
Mode 1. All right,
So it's on autopilot.
going into mode 2.
It should track to that location.
Yeah, I'm not touching the controls.
Aaron, if you want to show
There you
that
go.
manual.
Yep.
And it's circling right around, right over there.
Trying to.
Yep.
The wind's catching it a little.
Okay.